we are all set for match number 14 in this Adani Maharashtra Premier League 2025. It will be the Raigad Royals taking on 4S Puneri Bappa. Alright then, so news from the centre. Raigad Royals, they have won the toss and elected to bowl first considering the overcast conditions.
And we see about the playing 11s, Raigad Royals, they have in their armory, when we talk about Puneri Bappa, Yashir Sagar, Yash Nahar, Murtaza Trankwala, of course, and Ramkrishna Ghosh and the other fast bowlers, Nikit Dumal, will be very deceptive on this one.
In walk the openers of 4S Puneri Bappa, Yash Nahar. He has been in good touch, scoring 87 in one of the innings in this Adani MPL. And he is likely to be joined by Murtuza Trankwala, who has been a linchpin, a batting mainstay for 4S Puneri Bappa, scoring a half century in his previous match, does Murtuza Trankwala. Sagar Jadhav, he'll start the proceedings for the Royals. Right then, we are all set. The countdown has started for ball number 1 of match number 14 in this Adani Maharashtra Premier League 2025. Let's play, says the big screen. Ball number 1 coming up. Immediately some movement of the pitch, Salil. Steps out, goes aerial, first signs of aggression from Yash Nahar, and he picks up from where he has left. Goes aerial, clears the infield with ease and peppers whom we'll see. Excellent stroke, up in the air. He's got the height and the distance and he deposits it into the stands. Beautiful shots of MC International Stadium. And there's another beautiful stroke from Murtuza Trankwala.
Beautiful. This is a one which jagged in. Beautiful comeback. The first one goes for a
agonizing pain that from Trankwala. Very difficult for any opener. But Murtuza Trankwala, in the form that he's in, he'll not miss out on this one. This is the second 6 for Trankwala in this. Use of the risks again from Trankwala, and he dispatches it, dismisses it to another 6. Yash Nahar this time driven beautifully, powerfully, and the ball races to the fence. This is a boundary for Yash Nahar.
Shot of the Pune Stadium, and this one was edged. This is where he wanted to bowl, getting the outer edge, but it's no point getting the outer edge.
Steps out. And Rishabh Rathod appeals for this one, and Tanay Sangvi strikes in the very first over of
outside the off stump, and this is what happens. Tried to hoik that one, cross-batted shot, nicking in the end, and Rishabh takes a very good catch. Nahar back in the pavilion on 24, 50. Even in the recently concluded IPL, we saw Hazelwood bowling those kind of length.
Rishikesh sends this aerial edge and an easy catch there and lobbing it to the backward short leg fielder. There's an excellent bounce in the wicket and the medium pacers are making great use of it. We will get to see a very good match, and Rishikesh Sonavne gets out for a date. This side of the Puneri Bappa led by guess who other than struggling here. Flicked of the bats and taken. That's a specky of a take from the fielder at short mid-wicket. And Tanay Sangvi has 2 wickets in as many overs. An excellent catch over here at mid-wicket from Nikhil Kadam. This is what is needed. When the bowler is on the top, this is awesome. And Murtuza has to depart at 29. And Advai sends it packing, lofted cover drive as stadium. Shirsagar guides this deftly, bisects the field. Both these batters. Advai tongs it, and the fielder takes an easy catch. This time, no mistake over there, because this shot was on, and this is what we were discussing. You know, they will have to change their gear and go behind the. Just got 11 runs of 9 balls, and the Puneri.
Actions. They started off well, and the good start will continue as the captain of Forest Puneri Bappa hits that stroke in style.
Watch where the ball is landing, and that is good one. Really well picked up. This will go all the way. Huge sixer. This one.
Up in the air, ballooned up. Fielder coming underneath it, and a comfortable catch. Did not.
So Sahil Othare walks back to the pavilion on 12. Chirsagala as well as Sahil were hitting the 6. Suraj being Suraj at the first ball, tries to hit that one. Good bowling in the end by Vicky Oswal. Grabs at that one outside the off stump. Bowled that one right there in the slot. Jabs, and a very good catch in the end by Siddesh. Superb cricket overall. Suraj Shinde's wicket on the first ball for 0 and 1.
Sachin goes big in the leg side. That's collecting snow in the air, but eventually lands in the palms of the fielder. Kept his. Yet again, Sachin Bhosle departing for 2. On strike. Short ball dispatched. And it thuds into the advertising ropes. The is done really well for Vicky. Leading edge, catch it is the call. And catch taken. The Raigarh Royals are not putting anything down, and Vicky Oswal has a 4-wicket haul to his name. Last 4 matches he had barely less wickets, but today he's making up for all of that. Excellent bowling effort from Vicky Oswal. About Ramakrishna Ghosh, who gets back to the hut for a 6-ball-7. Puneri coming up. Sohan gives this the Humpty. Where is it landing? Into the stands is his answer. Oh, Yash has smoked that. The fielder can only be a spectator. And a short fine leg. Oh, bouncer. Spiteful run-out opportunity. Good throw from the wicket-keeper. And an easy dismissal finally by Nikhil's side in this game. And he muscles this towards the fielder at deep mid-wicket. Just a single run coming off the final ball of the 20th over. And Puneri Bappa finish with 141 on the board for the loss of 9 wickets. There has been a substantial contribution after both their batters up top, the openers Yash Nahar and Murtaza Trankwala departed. Song as a unit with the ball in hand. The Pacers laid the foundation for this bowling innings. And then Vicky Oswal, the left-arm spinner, between the Raigarh Royals and the Puneri Bappa. The Raigarh Royals need 143 to seal the deal in this game.
Alongside Harsh Sanghvi to start the proceedings for the Royals. On the other hand, this man to be watched out for, Siddesh Veer, a stylish southpaw, a
Thank you, Julie. And that was a very good bowling by Sachin Bhosle. The first one very well connected. Will it go all the way? It rushes through the outfield and goes through a boundary. Very good shot that one. Bowling right on. But he does now with this one. Pitch right up. And he's fresh from last evening. A very good stroke in the end by Siddesh.
goes for the drive. Mid-off was in place but could not stop it. Siddesh Veer collects boundary of this delivery.
That one was Nikit Dhumal trying to bowl a Yorker on that one, but really converted into a very good looking stroke by Sanghvi. That is, he's trying to hoik that one above, but doesn't get the meat on it and pays the penalty. Bottom of the blade. That's why he couldn't connect it well. Harsh Sanghvi goes for 10 on that. The batters have to be a little cautious, but no, now he says one. And that's good enough for me if I was younger. And that one
make some inroads in their batting order. Swept away. It has the legs and it's going to whistle away to the boundary for 4. He's not lost his cool and his wicket. That's up in the air and into the stands. No stopping that. Pure timing on. Neeraj uses his feet. It's gone miles up in the air. Easy catch that off the bowling of the captain, Yash.
He tossed it up, invited the batsman, and Neeraj making that simple mistake of lobbing in balls, and the Royals are 52 for 2.
Here in the commentary box as Onkar comes out to bat to keep victory in as many days. Lofted, it's gone up, and yet another regulation catch for the Puneri Bappa fielding unit. Catched.
Hate departing for 2.
And that's a very good shot, that one. Struck really hard, and that's absolutely schoolboy cricket from the distance.
Nice juicy full toss, and Siddeshweer hits it as straight as an arrow. That was
This one got dislocated on top. And this one is steered nicely by the batter. Patil uses the pace of the ball.
This is a perfect stage as we were talking about it, and it is commentator's curse. Digvijay Patil, he scored a boundary of the previous delivery, but this time looking to clear the infield, finds the fielder.
But was not very confident in placing, gets a slice on that one, and a very easy catch at backward point there. Goes for 9. Royals 81 for 4.
Good looking stroke from Rishabh Rathod, and the ball will race away to the fence, peppering the... Covering the line of the stumps, hits aerial, and the fielder is there. A comfortable catch for the captain of Forest Puneri Bappa, Yashir.
This is very well tongued up by Tanay Sangvi. Just in the...
Over. Siddeshweer times this pull. One bounce over the ropes. And he carves this along the carpet. Glorious looking drive. Back-to-back boundaries now for... And castled. Ramakrishna Ghosh has the last laugh in this duel.
And this is turning out to be Ghosh having the last laugh, and Siddeshweer playing all over it.
For a 40 ball 47. Key moment this in the play. Maharashtra Cricket Association. He lofts this nice and handsome, does Tanay, and sends it over the rope for a 6. Continues to thicken overhead. Oh, straight as an arrow. One bounce into the fence. The 6th. Chipped up. And he's going to be going back to the hut is Ajay Rama.
And 2 singles. This shot was not on. If he would have just taken a single and given it to Tanay, the dugout would be relieved. But he had Akit, Ajay, Borude getting out for 3 in 4 deliveries.
Oh, he threw his hands at this one. Make that another catch and make that another wicket to the tally of Sachin Bhosle.
2 in 3 deliveries. The Royals are 126 for it.
Sagar Jadhav in at number 10. Very promising. Lofted. Evades the fielder. That will be a 6 against. Jadhav connects. It's gone miles up in the air. And the 2 fielders watches a theatre in power hitting. Oh, who's changed the complexion of this innings. Sagar Jadhav goes big in the leg side. And that is the winning runs. What a knock, Sagar Jadhav. Soak in the applause from the dugout and from the spectators, because you have delivered one of those classic innings in the history of the Adani MPL. Sagar Jadhav, my goodness, what a knock this has been. 4 deliveries faced, 18 runs scored, 3 sixes, one of them sealing the deal for Rishabh Rathod's side. The captain is absolutely ecstatic, and why not? Look at that celebration, muted, arms outstretched, telling the world, look at me, I am here to deliver the fireworks. Don't take your eyes off. The ball today from the left arm spinner of the Raigad Royals. And then it was an all-batting show from the likes of Siddeshweer, Neeraj Joshi, Tanay Sangvi, and do not forget Sagar Jadhav. 2 unbeaten batters, sealing the deal and this game. The third wicket